What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. Chris, what do we have today? Today, we have the T-bao netbook laptop computer, and this is by the company Banggood, and I will have it linked in the description box below, just like all my unboxing and review video. Again, that's just right below. I'm looking forward to this. My laptop right now is slow, ruggish. I need a new one. So let's go ahead and run a couple specs by you guys before I get it out of the box. This is the R8 model, and the CPU right off the bat is gonna be the Intel Z8350. The RAM is 4 gigs DDR3L. Storage is 64 gigabytes. eMMC. Battery is 8,000 milliamp, 3.7 volt. Display is 15.6 inches, full HD. Of course, Wi-Fi and output is 5 volt, 3 amp. So obviously this right here is not your full spec gaming computer, but this is gonna get you through your web browsing. But we're gonna be putting it to the test. Most of the time I do my editing, my YouTube videos, etc. on my desktop upstairs, but a new notebook I'm very excited about. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what's inside. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's get this bad boy on out of here. Right here in the top portion of the box here, we have a couple power adapters that aren't really going to be used for me, but since this did come from China, you guys in the different countries might actually need this. And just in case you're curious, the power cord tip to tip, you're looking at about a 5-foot power cord or so. Next up is gonna be our notebook right here, and coming down to an instruction manual here. And again, if I didn't mention, this notebook comes with Windows 10. So that is a huge benefit to have the Windows platform system already on. So let's go ahead and get it out of this and take it for a nice little look-see here. Looks like we have some protective plastic over the top of it. Go ahead and remove that if you desire. I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. And that's very, very nice. Take a look at that bad boy right there. We're gonna get to the screen and fire it up, don't you worry about that, but let's take a look at the back side. We have, of course, our soft pads here, little speaker there, very thin. We have a 3.0 USB port right here. We have, I believe that is micro HDMI, our power adapter here. And then on this side, we have our TF card slot here. And of course, another USB, regular USB, and our headphone jack right here. Now, I actually believe that this notebook has capable means of expanding the SSD drive in the inside. If that's something that you want to do, we will get to that. But let's go ahead and flip it up here. We have a nice little protective sheet right here. We need to go ahead and remove that as well. I'm not used to something this light and this thin. And if I forget to mention any specs, it's gonna be again in the description box below. Be able to click that link and read the full specs if I don't cover that in this video here. We have our keyboard right here. It's laid out pretty much exactly like a MacBook. Your big little touch surface here. Mouse pad here. I believe those are illuminated keys, but we'll get to that as well. You got your microphone inputs here and here. You do have a webcam. It's very, very small, and I believe it is right there. That looks like it is a camera right there. So unfortunately, they sent out the wrong plug, so just specify what country you are in. The marketing team that actually sent this out was based in the UK, so they just sent me a UK plug instead. But I have a travel adapter already, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my travel adapter into my US plug. Very nice as it's firing up here. This is the first time that I've fired it up right here with you. Alrighty, I'm actually used to Windows 7, so we're gonna take this Windows 10 for a test run. Now with the software that's already loaded on here, we already have 45.5 gigabytes free of 57.2. So we have about 12 gigs or so already on the hard drive. So I would recommend getting a flash drive. They're really inexpensive these days. USB port, you can get an external hard drive, or again, the TF card reader if you're working on the go. Even though it says 57.2, the actual size is 64. What's nice is that this notebook does have Bluetooth, so you can pair up your Bluetooth headphones or whatever other Bluetooth device you do have. All right, guys, let's go ahead and wrap up the video now. Been using it for a long time, and I like it. I like it for your basic web browsing, your emails, etc. I'm used to something a little bit more beefier like we see behind me. That's my i7 Alienware for my YouTube videos. So obviously this cannot compare anything to that. That does all my editing, my rendering of my videos, etc. But for this, It's light, it's thin, and that's why I do like it. It's a lot easier if you're not going to be editing a bunch of stuff or needing something a little bit beefier for gaming. Traveling with this, if you're just going to be doing work emails, watching YouTube videos, maybe doing some very easy editing, nothing major. Very light. The screen is nice and clear and crisp. The speakers are pretty decent for watching YouTube videos. And the battery life is not bad either. And I do like how it does have Bluetooth. I was able to connect my Microsoft Bluetooth mouse, which made scrolling a lot easier. I know people, and an example would be my brother. He was using it and he loves the big trackpad. He's actually used to that from his Apple MacBook. I don't really like the trackpad myself and probably just need to get used to it. I'm more of a mouse kind of guy, so that was nice to have a Bluetooth connected mouse so I don't have to deal with any wires. So when I do travel, I just shove this in a backpack and we're all good to go. Again, the main reason you would want something this small is the lightness of it. Being able to just throw that in a messenger bag, go to your Starbucks, you could write on it, send your emails, do your work, etc. Overall, I am impressed and the price point is very nice as well. Again, I will link the company in the description box below the video. Go ahead and check it out. They have many other options available as well. Windows 10 was a little bit interesting to get used to. I'm a Windows 7 guy. I still have Windows 7 on this one. Some people love Windows 10. I probably will as well. I just have to get used to it a little bit, but a little bit of trial and error and we'll be back up and running. Overall, great value for the price. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Again, look in the description box below. Hit that thumbs up button if it has given you an informed decision on a Windows 10 netbook, and subscribe on your way out. We'll see you guys in the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.